Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh semua. Okay, semua sihat? Okay, so hari ini kita akan mulakan pembelajaran bagi subjek PI yang pertama, pada sesi yang pertama. So, kita akan masuk topik yang pertama pada hari ini, iaitu topik where are you from? So, daripada mana kamu berasal? Okay. So, topik ini berasaskan daripada buku Get Smart Plus. Okay, iaitu buku teks kita lah. Alright, so now, before we start, teacher akan explain dua objektif yang mana teacher nak kamu capai dalam pembelajaran ini. Yang pertama adalah identify the countries based on the flags. Maksudnya teacher nak kamu kenal pasti negara berdasarkan bendera dia sendiri. Okay, so nanti kita akan tengok. Okay. Dan objektif yang kedua, teacher nak kamu state nationalities of each country. Maksudnya, nationalities ni adalah kewarganegaraan. Jadi, teacher nak kamu tahu. Okay, kalau Malaysia, nationalities dia apa? Kalau Brazil, nationalities dia apa? Dan beberapa negara lain lah. Okay, so now, kita akan mulakan topik kita. Okay, so as you can see, this is world map. So there are many countries on the world map. Di serata dunia ni kita tahu ada banyak negara. Okay. Yang kamu boleh tengok dekat sini contohnya adalah Canada, United States, Brazil, Australia, India, China, Russia, Indonesia, even the small country like Malaysia, Brunei and Vietnam and so on. There are many of countries around the world. Okay, so can you name the countries based on the flags? Jadi persoalan dia dekat sini, bolehkah kamu namakan negara tersebut berdasarkan bendera dia? Okay, so kalau macam kita tahu kan, setiap negara, each country has their own flag as their identity. So, setiap negara tu mesti ada bendera yang mana menunjukkan identiti mereka sendiri. Okay. So, as you can see, so, the first one. So, what is this flag, class? So, ini adalah Malaysia flags, bendera Malaysia. So, when you see this flag, so you know, oh, this is for Malaysia country. Okay. And then we look. The second one is UK flag. So UK stand for what, class? UK is stand for United Kingdom. Okay. So let's see the next one. Okay. So this one. This is also familiar, right? So this is US flag. US stand for United States, which is in America. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so this flag is referred to Brazil flag. So bila kamu tengok bendera ni, oh kamu tahu. So this is for Brazil country. Okay. So the next one is Mexico flag. So Mexico flags ada 3 colors kat sini. So green, white and like red, I think. Okay, so this flag is referred for Mexico country. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, this is Korea flags. So ini adalah bendera Korea. So kalau kamu tengok, kalau kamu rajin tengok cerita Korea kan, so you will see this flag is referred to the Korea country. Okay, the last one we will see the red one with 5 star. So this is referred to the China country. So this is a few of flags that when you see this flag, so you will know, oh, this is referred to the which country, because around the world there are many countries. So when you want to identify the which people come from, so you need this is also as a guideline. You will see this flag as the country identity. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Okay, so now we are going to meet a few friends from around the world. Are you ready, guys? So let's go. Okay, let's see. You can see in this slide there are two people, right? And two types of flags. So, we will see where is our friend come from. Okay, so let's see. This is Paulo. He's from Brazil. He is Brazilian. Okay, so in this slide you can see Paulo is from Brazil, which is Brazil country. Where do you know he is from Brazil? Because you see this flag is Brazil flag. And then their nationality is Brazilian. Nationality tu adalah kewarganegaraan yang mana menunjukkan Brazilian ni adalah warga negara Brazil. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, so this is Carlos. He's from Mexico. He is Mexican. Okay, so Carlos ni kelas asal dia daripada negara Mexico. Look at this flag. So you will see, oh, this flag is referred to the Mexico country. And then the nationality is Mexican. Dia adalah berasal daripada warga Mexico. Warga negara Mexico. Okay. So let's see the next one. Okay. So this girl is Anastasia. Okay. She's from the UK. She is British. Okay. So Anastasia come from UK. UK stand for what, class? United Kingdom. Don't forget. So their nationality is British. Okay. So Jill, look at Jill. Where is Jill come from? She's from the US. She is American. Okay. So kita boleh tengok kat sini Jill ni berasal daripada US, United States, yang mana dia seorang warga negara Amerika. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. Alright, so this is May. Kalau kamu sebut je nama dia pun dah tahu kan, May ni warga negara dia apa kan? Nationality dia adalah Chinese. Yang mana she's from China. Look at the flags. The flag is referred to the China country. Okay. So let's move to the Sandy. Okay. This is Sandy. She's from Korea. She is Korean. Okay, so Sandy is come from Korea, class. Look at these flags. Is referred to the Korea country. So the nationality is Korean because she come from Korea country. Alright, let's see the last one is this is Aina. She's from Malaysia. She is Malaysian. Look at these flags. Malaysia flags. Aina is come from Malaysia country. The nationality is Malaysian. Like teacher also is from Malaysia and I is Malaysian. Okay. So that's all. In this slide, you can see the explains about where is our friends come from, and then what is their nationality. For example, Paulo from Brazil, and then their nationality is Brazilian. Carlos from Mexico, and nationality is Mexican, and a few others friend. You can see this. So you will know about two adjective, which is refer to the. Okay, you can see, as like I said, you can identify the countries based on the flag. So, teacher nak kamu tengok kalau dan kena pasti. Okay, kalau kamu tengok bendera ni, you see this flag, so you must know which country is referred to based on this flag. Okay, and the next one is states the nationalities of each country. So, like we see in this slide. So, for example, if she come from UK, so nationalities is British. For example, Jill come from US. The the nationality is American. Okay. So let's see the last slide. Okay. So the last slide. Okay, this is exercise for today. So teacher need you to write the correct countries on the world map. So as you can see, the first slide one we go through. We look a world map. So teacher nak kamu tengok dulu, see the world map, and then you also after that you can do this exercise. If you don't know, you can refer to this flag. Contoh, for example, number 1, you can see which flags which country that has this flag. So, kamu boleh scroll balik, cari. Okay, so number 1 is refer to the US country. Okay, so US stand for United States. So, apa yang teacher nak kat sini, teacher nak kamu, okay, do this exercise on the books, comprehension books, which is refer to the book number 4. Okay, you may draw this world map, and then you draw also these flags, a few flags, and then you insert the answer in the correct answer in the table. Okay. Okay. So teacher will recap again what we have learned today. Okay. We will see what we have learned today is, okay, the name the countries based on the flags. So ada beberapa flags, jenis flags, iaitu bendera yang kita dah belajar hari ini, yang untuk kita tahu dia menunjukkan negara mana. Okay, for example, yang kita tengok tadi, Malaysia, this is Malaysia flag, this is UK flag, and then this is US flag. So this flag is referred to the US country, and then this flag is referred to the Brazil country, Mexico, and then Korea country, and lastly is China country. So there are 7 types of flags that we have learned today that refer to the 7 countries. And then we also has looked about their nationalities from each country, which is Brazil is Brazilian, Mexico is Mexican, which is their nationality, iaitu kewarganegaraan dia lah. Kalau macam Malaysia, kita panggil warga negara Malaysia. Okay, and then you can see if she from UK, so the nationality is British. If she come from US, so she is American. And then for me, she is from China, then she is Chinese. Sandy is from Korea, then she is Korean. And the last one, Aina is from Malaysia, and she is Malaysian, like teacher and you also. Okay, so don't forget to do this homework class. Okay, so if you have any question or not understand about what my explanation, you may refer to me, or you can kindly personal PM teacher, so teacher akan terangkan. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi untuk kelas yang akan datang.